Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP configuration error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be first typing in the command prompt some commands. So please open the command prompt window. Here in the Windows search tab, we need to type CMD, and then under best match, we will get the command prompt option. So once you see this one, all you need to do is just to go to the right section, and there you will find the run as administrator option. So please make a click on that, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes to proceed, and then you will get this black window. So here we'll be typing some commands. The first is net sh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter after typing. The next thing is net sh space winsock space reset space catalog. After typing, just please click on enter again. And the next is net sh space int space ip space reset log dot txt. After typing this one, just please click on enter again. And the next thing we need to type is ipconfig space / flush DNS to flush the DNS in our device. After typing this one, just please click on enter again, and this time we will be exiting this window. So type exit and then click on enter, and then after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device. Once you're back, see now if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we will be going now with the second method, which is to go to the settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the settings option. So here we will be going with the network and internet option. Once you click on this one, we will be looking for network reset. So please click on advanced network settings, and there you will find the network reset option. Please click on that and then click on this reset now button. Proceed with clicking on yes. So once you do this, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so see now if the problem is already fixed. So if you found this video helpful, if you learned something from this, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.